Welcome to this video. Awesome to have you here with me. I've got a really good one for you if you're looking to make money online. More specifically, if you're looking to make money online and nothing is working, this ChatGPT prompt will completely change how you approach it, because I'm going to give you two prompts. The second one is actually the most important, so watch the video to find out the second prompt. And it's really simple. This will give you some ideas, some real income streams that you can start, and like I say, the second prompt will put it all together. So we'll get straight into it. If you do find this video helpful, do give me a like. I'd really appreciate it. And if you're interested in building AI income streams, do subscribe to the channel. So let's get straight into it. This is the prompt that I put into ChatGPT. Act as a reliable online income coach. Give me a simple beginner strategy to start making money online using AI tools. Focus on low cost, simple steps, fast action, and realistic expectations. And what it did was it's given me an idea on the goal. What sort of goals to, if you're starting from complete scratch, what you should charge. You can obviously modify that, but it's just given me an idea for the first few sales. And then it's saying, okay, pick one simple income method, and it's come up with writing product descriptions, blog posts, creating YouTube scripts, social media captions, simple SEO articles, email marketing copy. Why this works: businesses already pay for this. Now I've actually got in the second prompt, you'll see how this comes together and it actually looks like a real business plan. So if these weren't any ideas that you liked, you could then steer the prompt around. You could edit it and say, I want to go in this field, or I want to, and sort of edit the ideas around. So you could say to ChatGPT, don't include any ideas in this sort of area. But just running with this now, it's then saying the tools that I'd need, which are all free. And then it's also given me an idea of a very simple offer, which is really good advice. Something that actually helps, but isn't so much of a complicated offer that before you even start, it's going to burn you out. Okay, and then it's saying, okay, for you, create a sample, whatever income stream you're offering, whether it's like here, write a professional Instagram post for a local gym promoting a summer fitness offer. Make 3 to 5 samples and put them in Google Doc. Step 5, get your first clients. Direct outreach, message 20 businesses a day, email, Instagram, DM, and Facebook page, and then a simple message. Okay, so we've got a sort of business idea, we've got some samples, and then we've got a simple message to send. And then it's saying, okay, daily routine, outreach for an hour, then create samples, then deliver work. And then it goes into realistic progress timeline. And the truth, most gurus won't tell you. You'll get ignored a lot, so you want to send more messages. First work may be cheap. You must message people daily. Okay? This is the second prompt that I was talking about that will really boost this. As an example, I picked the writing product descriptions. And the reason I wanted to show you this prompt is this is where it comes together. That's good. The first prompt's good for ideas, but I've put give me a step-by-step daily tasks to follow the writing product descriptions and tell me exactly who to target. Now it's taken that idea and it's actually going, okay, what's the offer? AI assisted product description writing for small e-commerce businesses. Okay, so that's a bit different. Who do we target? Etsy sellers for these 4 groups, and target shops selling candles, jewelry, prints, home decor, pet accessories, personalized gifts, and so on. eBay sellers, target sellers with lots of items, short descriptions, messy formatting, no benefits, just features. Or small Shopify stores, and smaller Shopify stores that need help with their product descriptions, or local businesses selling products online. Who to avoid at first, like big Amazon sellers and so on. And then what it's done is it's given me a daily plan. Find 20 prospects, make 3 mini samples for them specifically, send 20 outreach messages, follow up with 10 old leads. So as you're building these, this is the cool thing about it. If you were to do this, and as you're sending those 20 messages, you do that for 5 days, you've now sent 100 messages, and you can follow up with leads as well as you go. And then you can define your service. I help small e-commerce stores improve product descriptions so their listings sound clearer, more persuasive and more likely to convert. Another idea for you that I would actually go for is you could wrap SEO in there. A lot of people with Shopify stores haven't SEO'd their listings at all, and if you know how to do that, or you could use AI to help you, you can add that in there as well. But it's giving me define the service, make a simple portfolio document, and then a simple email to send them for direct outreach, and then find your first 20 prospects just on Etsy to start, and you can start targeting these sort of people. Obviously choose sellers with weak descriptions, save them in a sheet, rewrite 3 sample descriptions and send 10 to 20 messages, not to one person, like 10 10 different businesses on Etsy in this example. And then it's going day 3. So this is breaking it down. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Now it's saying more outreach, find another 20 prospects, make 3 more mini samples, send 20 messages, and so on. And then start, this is cool, look at this. Day 4, start targeting Shopify stores, and you can use this Google search, which will just bring up Shopify stores that sell this product, or sell pet products, or sell candles. So you don't have to go searching all over Google for these. You can literally type in this search and you will find Shopify stores up there. And if you're worried that they're sort of abandoned, check when the last product was added as well, and you can do that. And then follow up, day 5. Day 6, offer a simple starter package. Use one of these, 3 product descriptions for 15, 5 for 20, and you can obviously modify that, but it's giving you that step-by-step plan. Okay, so week 1's all about volume, week 2 is about replying back, so check this out. When they say send the sample, here's a sample rewrite of one of your product listings, and so on. And if they say how much, then you can send what do you need from me, just send me the product links and any key features you wanted, and you've got an income stream that you can start testing out and modify from within ChatGPT. So if you wanted to, you could say, this is the niche area that I'm targeting, can you rewrite the emails? So now you've got a complete plan that you can start testing straight away. And of course this is a little bit of work. You want to go for just cold outreach on email. You want to go for 100 messages and expect 1 or 2 replies, not necessarily sales, but 1 or 2 to start. And then obviously once you start to get customers and testimonials, it will be quicker as well. But there you go, there's a complete plan that you can use if you're stuck. You don't have to use that example, but use those 2 prompts above and see those income streams. Remember to add in the second prompt so you get the day by day help, and then it will help you work out whether that income stream's for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. Do use it. Let me know in the comments how you're getting on. And of course, if you're interested in just getting set up super fast, check out the AI income operating system. That's my course where I actually share on the screen the top 4 income streams I recommend you should start with, which is super easy and relevant for 2026. So do check that out. I'll leave the link in the description. Do give us a like and a subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.